Today we're going to be looking at the GCSE core practical on extension of a spring. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a clamp stand with 2 bosses and 2 clamps. We're going to need to put that on the edge of our desk and clamp it in place using a G-clamp. The reason for this is that we're going to be hanging masses off the stand, and we don't want it to topple over or fall off the desk and land on our feet. It's important we make sure it's nice and securely clamped. Okay, so when we've done that, okay, we're going to be hanging our spring, okay, off the upper clamp, okay, and I've put them so one is on one side of the stand, okay, and one is on the other, okay, so there's a gap between them, so it will allow our masses to hang down, okay, and our ruler to be on the other side. Now we want to set the ruler, okay, so that it is clamped in place and level with the top of the spring. Because we're going to be measuring, okay, we're going to be measuring the extension of our spring. So we're going to first of all take the length of our spring unstretched. Okay. Now I'm going to use a ruler to make this a bit easier. Okay, I'm going to run it in, and I can see that our spring is 59 millimeters or 5.9 centimeters unstretched. I would record that reading as the unstretched length of our spring. Okay, and then what we're going to do is, with our safety glasses on, okay, because we don't want to run the risk of anything pinging off at us, we're going to add masses. We're going to add them in 100 gram increments, okay, starting with 100 grams. When we've added 100 grams, we're going to take the bottom point of our spring, okay, once it's nice and stabilised, okay, and work out that it is now exactly 90 millimeters. Okay, and we're going to keep doing this, adding a mass each time, taking a measurement of the extension, okay, and we're going to keep doing that until we've added 10 masses and we've done a full 1 kilo. Okay, and from that we can then work out, we know the initial, and we know how much when you've added each weight, what the extension is. Okay, we're then going to repeat this exact same experiment, only with a rubber band. We're going to put the rubber band in place. We're going to make sure that we know, okay, without stretching it, what the unextended length is, and then we will add masses to it, again 100 grams at a time, and we're going to see if what the extension is and whether the extension differs between the rubber band and the spring. Okay, now as you can already see, this rubber band is nowhere near as stretchy as the spring was. Okay, so alright, and that is basically it. We've got a spring, we're going to add the weight, measure the change in extension of the spring, and then we're going to do that to a kilo, to 10 100 gram weights, and then we're going to repeat it exactly the same for the rubber band. Thank you.